All right, we're gonna get our butter sauce squared away first. We got 1 stick, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We put a little garlic in there, a little bit of the 2-step. Butter out of there. And then we're gonna do, like I said, like a teaspoon. Do more if you want. All right, now we're gonna do like a teaspoon of this too. It's unsalted butter, so not a problem. You do more if you want, you can do less. That looks pretty good. Give some on this side. All right, now we're gonna microwave this for about a minute. You know, after 30 seconds, kind of give it a little spin. Don't let it go the whole time, you know, without, you know, checking on it. Yeah, be right back. All right, my friends, we got our butter dip over here. We got a little bit of that 2-step in there. We got the garlic. It's smelling fantastic. Yeah, it's ready for some crab. All right, now we're gonna get our water ready. And we got our crab right here. We're gonna set the crab aside. We want the water to reach a rolling boil before we put it in, and then we're gonna wait for it. After we put it in, we're gonna wait for it to come back to a rolling boil, and then we're gonna wait about 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. We like to do a little bit longer on the side, you know, so 10 minutes. And then we're gonna pull the crabs. Here, stick around. We're gonna show you how we do it. Be right back. All right, we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of the kosher salt. We want about the same salinity as the ocean, which is why we're doing so much. It may seem like a lot, but it's perfect. And we do about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of this, the 2-step over here. Tried and true, lots of flavor in here. There we go. All right, now we're gonna put a little bit of this lemon in here. Just squeeze a little bit. We're gonna squeeze the lemon. And we're gonna squeeze the lemon. All right, and then we're gonna just put the lemon in there. We're gonna boil this. Here, come over here to the stove. We're gonna put this on there. You see that, my friends? That is a rolling boil. We're gonna add our crabs. It's gonna drop the temperature, and then we're gonna wait for it to come right back to that rolling boil again. We're gonna put this baby in there. We're gonna put this baby in there. Get that freaking claw in there. Don't worry about that, my friends. We're gonna add a couple more in there. See that? It dropped the temperature a lot. Might actually need to add a little bit more water in here. All right, we're gonna add a little tiny bit more water. Here, be right back. All right, my friends, we add a little bit more water in there, you know, top it off. We want the top of the crab to be covered, you know. We're gonna kind of keep an eye on it, keep all this stuff poached down. We're gonna let this come back to a boil, and we're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes as soon as it does. So stay tuned. We're cooking this crab. We'll be right back. Hey Google, stop. All right, we reached our limit with the timer. We're gonna take our nice crabs off over here now, and I highly suggest you give a little ice bath over here. We don't want to chill them down to the core, but we just want to kind of give them a bath. You know, we want to stop that cook. We want to keep them in there for about a minute or so. Hey Google, set a timer for 45 seconds. Put these in there. These beautiful crabs, and you know, these crabs have that same kind of protein as lobsters in them, where they turn bright red when they're done cooking. So watch for that as well. We're gonna put these in here, let them chill out, give them a little stir. We're gonna be right back. Oh yeah, look at these beautiful crabs over here. We're gonna set them right down. Look at this baby right there. Look at that. Look at that. All right, got all these crabs over here. All these crabs, they're cooled down, but they're still warm in the middle. We don't want to keep them in there, you know, for like, you know, more than a minute, because if we do that, they're gonna get ice cold, and we want nice warm crab, you know, when we dip it in that butter. All right, we're gonna let them chill for a minute. Gonna get our butter ready. Gonna get the cracker cracking. Be right back. We're feeling pretty crabulous over here. We got our delicious Dungeness ready to go. We got our tool over here. Here, check this tool out. This is from the Cracked Crab, Pismo Beach, California. Had many a good meal at this place. Had lots of good seafood boils. But today we're doing our own. We got these delicious Dungeness we made over here. We cooked about 10 minutes. We put them in a little bit of ice bath. And now we're gonna go in for a little taste test. We got our butter made with a 2-step, a little bit of that garlic. Give it a little two-step right there. See if we can get a nice little piece out of here. Got a little piece. That's okay. It'd be like that sometimes. Where's our tool? We're going to go in with our tool over here, handle our meat, see how this works out. There we go. That is fantastic. Absolutely crabulicious. Very, very good. You know, this crab tastes so good. We put that a lot of salt in the water, but it worked out perfectly. We put the two-step, and the two-step, all those flavors, all that salt comes through perfectly in that boil. Highly recommend you give this a try. Thank you guys for watching. Watch some of the other videos we got. We got all kinds of stuff over there. Anything tickle your fancy. God bless. And make sure you subscribe for the next one. We got more stuff coming for you.